Hi guys. Today we want to talk about the powerful scalp strategy in 5 minutes time. Here you can see the signals from which good profits have been taken. You can see some of them with great percentages. In this strategy we use an indicator on the chart and we use two integrated RSI indicators. The first indicator shows the buying and selling position. By adding the RSI indicator, we can increase the accuracy of the signals and filter the weak signals. Of course, we have to change the settings of these indicators. I will teach this strategy together. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, we change the candle type to Heikenaschi. Then, from the top of the screen, we select the chandelier exit indicator. Which is developed by this person. Now this indicator has been added to the chart, and as you can see, buy and sell signals are being displayed. We go to the 5-minute chart. As you can see, the signals with the indicator are excellent and it detects the trend very well. But we also have a very small number of buy and sell signals that have given little profit or faced losses. For this, we have to make changes in the indicator and also use other indicators for filtering. Select the settings option from the top of the page. On the page that appears, we must apply the desired changes. Uncheck all the options except buy label and sell label. Then we enter the input tab and set ATR period equal to 1 and ATR multiplier equal to 1.85. We remove the use close price for extremums tick. Finally, select OK to apply the changes. As you can see, the indicator changed and the type of signaling changed. This is Ethereum USDT live chart. We will check some signals together to see the profit value of this unique method. Profits are excellent. This indicator is amazing. This signal, which is really surprising and has given a sell signal at the beginning of a great trend. The price has changed by about 8%. Now we go to another time and observe the signals. We choose a time of 1 hour. It is really amazing. The ratio of win rate is excellent. You can use this strategy at different times as you wish. I mostly use 5 minutes. Try to use it in active market times, the best of which is the European and American market. In American time, there is a very good movement trend. Of course, some false signals are also observed. For example here. Or here. Or here. These false signals are observed at all times. We must be able to distinguish a good signal from a bad one. This is where RSI comes to our aid. Enter the indicators section and type the word RSI. Then click on it twice to add two indicators at the bottom of the chart. Now we have to change these two indicators. Enter the settings of the first indicator. On the screen that appears, set the RSI length value to 100. Then enter the Style tab and uncheck the RSI-based mod tick to remove the second line from the indicator. We change it and put a bright color. We also increase the thickness of the line to make it more clear. This is how our indicator came to be. Now we make the same changes for the second indicator. Only here we set the value of RSI length to 25. Our indicators are like this, but we have to merge them together. Now I will explain to you how to do this. Click on the three dots icon. From the menu that appears, select the Move to option and then select Existing pane above. Both RSI indicators merge together. We have to make another small change. We click on the three dots icon and then select Pin to Scale, and then Pin to Scale Z. Now our tools are ready. We use two-line cross to filter and remove the weak signal. That is, whenever we have a buy position and two lines intersect each other, we enter the position, but if two lines do not intersect each other, we avoid entering the position. False signals are filtered with the help of these two lines. One thing I have to say is that after showing a buy or sell signal, there is a maximum of 2 to 3 candles to cross to the RSI line. If this time passes and the cross does not occur, you should ignore this signal. Look at the profit amount of this signal. But the next signal that was issued, we should not enter because the cross-2 line is not available, and as you can see in the chart, this signal gave very little profit. Here we see a successful signal in which the cross has also happened. Its profitability is great. And also see this signal where the cross happened. The ratio of profit to loss and profitability is extraordinary. My friends, just pay attention to the fact that you use capital management in any situation and risk between 2 and 3% of your capital in this situation. Be sure to adhere to the rules and exit the position when the price of the price range touches your loss limit. If you adhere to the rules of exit and entry and capital management, you will definitely make a lot of profits in the long run. Don't forget to like and subscribe.